welcome back to my channel. It's your Cali country cousin Amber, and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be a straight true blue review style video. If this is your very first time visiting my channel, then you probably don't know how I do my wash and goes. I have a million, literally a million wash and go demos, tutorials, curly hair wash day routine videos on my channel, so I'll link a couple in the description box for you, and we're just gonna jump straight into the review because I have been reviewing a lot of gels.
Jump straight into the nitty gritty, okay?
This gel, I literally ran across this gel just like in a local corner store here in LA. It was $1.29 for 32 ounces, so that's number one. And this just kind of stood out to me because it really just kind of looks like an Eco Styler gel, and if you've been my cousin for a while now, then you know that Eco Styler gel is like my holy grail. So then the second thing that drew my eye was the little avocado on it, but then right next to it, it had a cactus. Avocados, I'm thinking like moisturizing. My hair really likes avocado. And then though, when you think of like a cactus, it's like dry. So it's like, So a couple of things about the ingredients regarding this gel, just that I like to make sure that everyone is aware of now that thankfully we all are becoming more aware of the ingredients and the products that we're putting in our hair. If you are somebody who is allergic to the chemical ingredient abbreviated T, then you are going to want to stay away from this gel because this does contain that ingredient. I really never have had any kind of allergic reactions to that ingredient, which is why Eco Styler gel is still a favorite gel of mine. Tea is the third ingredient in this gel, which in a lot of gels you are going to find that ingredient. A couple of other ingredients that people like to be notified of is glycerin. It does contain glycerin, as well as the fragrance yellow number 5. Now right here on this jar it says like certified organic botanicals. Here it says certified organic botanicals, and then also I don't know if you guys can see on the top of the jar it says their name, you know, via naturals, and then with natural botanical extracts. And if you are somebody who is trying to, well, first of all, if you're somebody who's trying to use an all natural product, this ain't it, child. Natural botanical ingredients does not mean that it is an all natural product, and I really don't like the way that this is marketed. I understand why it is marketed like this, but I don't like that it has like this big sticker that says certified organic botanicals, as if this is a certified organic product, which it is not. And just really just one quick glance at the ingredients will tell you that. So I did style my hair on Clean Hair. I'll leave everything that I use for the wash day in the description box as well. And then for my leave-in conditioner, because we all know that's pretty much like the importance, like what did it pair well with, I paired it with the TGIN leave-in conditioner, which, if I'm not mistaken, also has green tea extract. I am almost positive that is what it says on the bottle, which when I was doing this, if I am correct about this, I'll put it like right here. If I'm correct about this, that is just awesome that I did that, just because I wasn't thinking about that at the time. It was one of the leave-in conditioners that I have in my stash, and I've told you guys that I like to rotate. This gel reminds me of the pink Eco Styler gel. If you are looking for a gel, like in comparison, what would I compare this to? This gel performs almost exactly like the pink Eco Styler gel. And for a lot of people, the pink is like literally a hit or a miss. Either it is enough hold or it's not enough hold. Either they really like it or they really don't like it. The pink Eco Styler gel, I believe, is a hold level of an 8. Some of them are a 7 depending on where you get it from. Level 7, level 8. This is going to perform more like a level 7 Eco Styler gel, especially because you're getting 32 ounces for $1.29 versus the 32 ounce. I mean, Eco Styler gel is inexpensive anyway, just, well, inexpensive unless they're trying to come out with a new one, and then y'all already know how I feel about that. The 32 ounces are more around the $4 or $5 range. So if you are somebody who really likes the pink Eco Styler gel and you want something cheaper, I think that this is fine because they really do have the same core ingredients. It's not like one is worse for you or worse for your hair than the other. We all know cheap gels are just what they are. they're cheap gels, okay? Somebody feels me about that, not expecting a cheap gel to perform miracles or to just give your hair all the nourishments. I'll try to find a link to this specific gel on Amazon. If I can find it, of course, that will be linked in the description box as well. So that's it for this review, guys. Hopefully I covered everything. Let me know what you think of this wash and go. Does this wash and go combo deserve to be like in the wash and go combo series? Because I'm thinking this one may deserve a full wash and go series video. Like, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you made it all the way to the end of this video and you still ain't my cousin, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.